Hi class. So today we are going to be learning about the word tickled. And in this map we have the multiple meaning words. So as you can see we have two different bubbles, which indicates that we are going to be learning about the word tickled and that it has two separate meanings. So on the left hand side of your screen you see the first definition that we're going to be learning, and that the word tickled is an action on someone. So many of you may know or have had a parent tickle you kind of in a playful way. And so in our sentence on that second line, we see, I'm ticklish, don't tickle me. Sometimes people don't like it when we tickle them, or maybe you yourself doesn't like to be tickled. So in this way of tickling, it is an action on someone, and it may be itching a part of your body that creates some form of laughter. Some people, like me, have grown out of being ticklish because we have been tickled a lot. So that is our first word of tickled. And on the right side of your screen, you will see a formal way of the word tickled. And it's a kind of appealing. So on that third line, it says pleasing or amusing someone. And in my sentence, I have, I was tickled by the invitation. Now in this sentence, it may mean that you have an invitation to a party and it's really pretty or funny or something in that kind of context. Or it may be a birthday card that you have gotten and it's full of confetti, may have streamers in there, or maybe even one of those that kind of sings to you. So that is that form of tickled. I was tickled by the invitation. And in our story that we just read, we saw the sentence of, the lion was so tickled by the idea of the mouse being able to help him that he lifted his paw and let him go. In this sentence, we can kind of figure out which tickled is being used. We know that it wasn't the action on someone, the mouse wasn't tickling the lion, so we can kind of know that the way tickled is used in this is formal and pleasing and kind of amusing. We know that the lion was amused that the mouse was letting him go because that doesn't often happen in the wild that we know. So the lion was tickled because he was kind of surprised, like, wow, the mouse is helping me. So those are our two definitions to the word tickled. And when we read, we want to see, is it an action on somebody, or is it maybe in the formal way of being amused and kind of enjoying what's happening? So those are our two definitions. Thank you, class.